decisive and quite destructive. But in these very, very troubling and sensitive times where there has been a lot of knee-jerk racism towards British Muslims and where a lot of people have been campaigning for us to close our borders to refugees, we need to tell people, and the message needs to be put out there, that the fights we are fighting, the ISIS, does not represent British Muslims, and it doesn't represent the refugees desperately trying to flee from ISIS themselves.
Thank you very much for coming on the programme.
No worries.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alan Hennessy. Still to come in the next hour of the programme, we'll have details of a new research clinic which could revolutionise the lives of women with a genetic mutation linked to certain cancers. Coming up to 10 o'clock, and that means it's time for the weather with the lovely Carol. But it's getting chilly, is it not? I can put my heating back on.
Do you know what, Victoria? I was going to say just that very thing to you. Often we have that conversation here, but it is. And it's all because of this jet stream. Now, we often talk about the jet stream. It's a ribbon of fast-moving air way up in the atmosphere, about 5 miles. It gets planes quickly back from America, for example. But it's been coming in from the west. But through this weekend, note the change in direction. It's coming straight down from the north. So it's going to be dragging in Arctic air, hence the cold weather.
Snow?
Some of us will see
Really?
some snow, yes. You're good at this. And you can see how over the next few days the milder conditions are pushed away, the cold air sweeps right across the British Isles, and we will notice the difference. To give you an idea of temperatures, for example, yesterday in parts of the UK we had highs of 16 Celsius.
Nice.
By the time we get to the weekend, look at that.
Britain freezes.
There's your headline.
Yeah.
And when you add on the wind and the wind chill, for some it will feel closer to freezing or even below. So get your heating on, put it on tomorrow probably.
Thank you. I will.
All set.
Carol, thanks for permission. See you later.
See you later. Today, though, it's not as cold. In fact, today's the last day of the really mild weather. We've got a couple of weather fronts, one across the north of Scotland, one across southern England and South Wales, both producing rain or showery outbreaks of rain. And look at those isobars. They're opening out now, so it's breezy rather than windy, although it has been quite a windy start to the day across northern England. So here are the showers across Scotland. Some of those will merge to give longer spells of rain. Here's the rain coming in across Wales and southern counties of England, drifting from the west towards the east, and in between there's bright spells, there's some sunshine, and there are also some showers. And as we head into the afternoon for Northern Ireland, that's the scenario for you. It's not going to be a bad day in Northern Ireland at all, with a lot of dry weather and a few showers. The most prolific showers continue across northern Scotland, but we will see a lot too in the west. Eastern Scotland seeing something drier and brighter. And across northern England, it's a mixture of bright spells, sunshine and showers. But as we head further south, again, we're looking at behind the band of rain, quite a lot of cloud, showers at times, not feeling particularly cold. And then as we drift over towards the southwest, we've got more rain coming our way across the Isles of Scilly and in through Cornwall, Devon and Somerset. Some showers moving across the Bristol Channel into Wales, but North Wales, again, seeing something drier and brighter with fewer showers. So as we head through the evening and overnight, at times our weather front will take a swipe at southern counties of England, introducing some rain, as it will do across the Channel Islands. Still some showers increasingly turning wintry across the north of Scotland, and a few showers across Northern Ireland and Northern England. This is the line of demarcation. It's actually an occlusion, and that's going to be sinking south, taking its showers with it tomorrow. Now ahead of it, and there will be a lot of dry weather around. There'll be some sunny spells, a few showers. Still with our weather front close to the south coast, we could see some rain, but it will be mild. Behind it, it's going to be colder, and again, we'll see increasing amounts of wintry showers. So 6 to 10 in the south, but 3 to 6 in the north. Now, as we head from Friday night into Saturday morning, I'm going to show you this chart unusually. You can see what happens. The wind picks up down this east coast. We'll have snow across the north and east of Scotland and some of the heavier bursts even to lower levels. You could wake up to a covering of snow across the southern uplands in places and the North Pennines. And as we come down this east coast, we're looking at a wintry mix, which means a mixture of rain, sleet, and in the heavier showers, some snow just to the north of London. But the whole lot will be exacerbated by that wind. So gusts to gale force down the North Sea, and it was pretty gusty inland in areas adjacent to the North Sea as well. That leads us into Saturday. Again, you can see strong winds still very much in evidence. Some showers across Wales and southwest England. On the highest hills and mountains, we could see a wee dusting, for example, over the moors. But in between these two areas, we're looking at a cold day. 3 to 7, but when you add on the wind chill that Victoria and I have just been talking about, it will feel more like -3, for example, in Newcastle, so quite a change.